Then you are going to go ahead and pump using this manual, and there's all kinds of different pumps. There's an electric pump, there may be even be hydro, but usually I'm thinking electric or manual. And basically you're going to pump this up. So there is a pressure gauge here, and again, what you're going to do, and I'm going to move this large cylinder out of the way for a moment, is you're going to look at the pressure reading, and you're not going to go above 10. You're going to do it to an erection, and it needs to be comfortable. Never above 10, but it may be a lower number for you, to an erection and not uncomfortable. You can pump if you're using aspirin or Coumadin. That's okay. You just don't want to, oops, dangerous here. You just don't want to, basically, you don't want it to be painful, because you don't want to get bruising. You could potentially rupture a vein on the top, get some bruising, and you don't want that. So you just want to go to lesser degrees, maybe not as frequent as well. And again, all of our sexual wellness patients have basically a schedule. Like, we have them on a schedule of pumping for regeneration while we're doing their sexual wellness treatment. So if you haven't seen our P-Shot video, that's something that we do as part of our sexual wellness. Check that out. And if you haven't seen the Gains Wave, you can check that out.